solve the system of equations using the row echelon method. We're given the system x plus 2y equals negative 6 and 3x plus 4y equals negative 10. We will begin by creating our augmented matrix, simply listing the coefficients and the constant terms. We have 1x plus 2y equals negative 6 and 3x plus 4y is equal to negative 10. So here we have our augmented matrix. And now we're going to row reduce this augmented matrix. So step 1 would be to get the upper left hand corner to be a 1, and that is already the case, so I don't have to worry about getting a 1 there. And now I'll use that 1 to make the other elements or the other values in this column zeros. So we're going to take and multiply row 1 by negative 3, so negative 3 times row 1, add it to row 2 to get a new row 2. So row 1 will not change. So I'm going to recopy row 1, 1, 2, negative 6. Now we'll carry out this row operation. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3, plus 3 is 0. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, plus 4 is negative 2. And negative 3 times negative 6 is positive 18, minus 10 is positive 8. So I got my upper left hand corner to be a 1, used it to make the rest of the column zeros. Now we'll jump over to the next position on the main diagonal. I now need this to be a 1, so we're going to multiply row 2 by negative 1/2. So negative 1/2 times row 2 to give us a new row 2, meaning that row 1 will not change again. So row 1 is 1, 2, negative 6, and now we'll carry out the row operation. 0 times negative 1/2 is 0. Negative 1/2 times negative 2 is positive 1, and negative 1/2 times positive 8 is negative 4. Now we can translate our augmented matrix back into a system of equations. The top row would read in terms of x, y equals constant. Our top row would look like 1x plus 2y is equal to negative 6, and our bottom row would be 0x plus 1y, or just y, is equal to negative 4. And now to solve our system, we can substitute negative 4 into y in our top equation, which would give us our x value. We already have our y coordinate. Y is negative 4. Now we'll get x. So x plus 2y, 2 times negative 4, is equal to negative 6. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8, so we have x minus 8 is equal to negative 6. And now we will add 8 to both sides, giving us x equals positive 2. So the solution to this system of equations using the row echelon method would be 2 comma negative 4. Final answer, 2 comma negative 4.